Hi, um, hmm, good afternoon. My name is Solomon Amos. I'm going to show you how I installed and what I picked for my MVC Framework um, installation. What I did, I went to Code Igniter. I did some looking and searching on the web for a good framework, a PHP framework, and Code Igniter actually got a lot of good reviews as well as Cake PHP. The only difference between the two was Cake PHP was more for a seasoned PHP framework user. And since I'm fairly new to this, I thought that Code Igniter would actually be a better fit for me. What you want to do, once you go to the site, which is ellislab.com/Code Igniter, you will come down to where it says download Code Igniter. You'll generally get the latest version. I have already downloaded the zip file, which is here. And once you unlock the zip file, what it does, it actually shows you a few files which I have already moved. I'll actually show you where those files are. Or actually, better yet, what I'll do, I'll just double click and just run it again and just open up a part 2, which is here. Now in this one, you'll notice that it has an application, an index.php, a license.txt system, and a user guide folder. What you want to do is copy all of this information, just select it all and copy it, and you want to take it over and put it in your hot docs, htdocs folder. As you can see, mine is already imported in here. I already had copied everything over. Here's my applications, here's my index, here's my license, here's the system and the user guide folder. Okay, now once you have this running in the hot docs, you just want to make sure that your server is running, your localhost server is running, and then open up just a web page there. For me, I'm using XAMPP because I'm still having problems with MAMP, so I'm trying XAMPP and see if that gives me better results. So far, so good. And once you open up localhost, you will get this message right here that says "Welcome to Code Igniter," and it gives you a little bit of instructions on if you like to edit the page. It shows you where the correspondent controller page is found. Right here, I'll show you on my coda for my code here that what I did just to test it out, make sure it works. I went ahead and went under the controller page and just created just a site PHP file, just some general. That has my class, which is the class is site, which is the site that I created. All of your classes, you want to make sure has a capital letter on it. For this to extend, after some trial and error and going back and forth trying to figure this out, because I thought it was just controller, you actually have to put CI_controller for it to extend. And then once you have that in there, you can go ahead and show the this, load, and the view. The site PHP, which is in quote here, is actually my view page, is where my page that is installed. You will notice for my PHP site PHP page here is just a regular HTML, and then it shows just what will be displayed on the screen once you go to it. Here's the title of the HTML page right there, and then what will be displayed on the page. So from here, if you go back to your Code Igniter, now here's the thing I did. Took me a little bit to get this one because I was trying to do it the other way. I was just trying to just type in site, and if you notice, oops, object not found, error message. What you have to do in order to get this to show up, if you type in index, which is the PHP file that you actually moved over from Code Igniter, and then put in your site, you'll notice there it is. There's my paragraph right there. Look, no hands. So that shows that it is working, and it is installed and ready for my next assignment. Thank you, and have a good day.